The life is changing every day. For example, because of the COVID, the school are changing, even the work. So the business must to be recognized to the customers. So how we can achieve that? Making a website. That's how the business can uh, reach that leads and earn more money. A good internet site is when the colors are attractive for the possible customer and you have the enough information. But the internet site is when it's confused to the people. When you're trying to find something and you cannot find it.